Did you know that the simple home remedy can make wrinkles disappear in just 3 minutes? Yes, even if you're 70 years old, this secret anti-aging recipe works like magic. If you've been struggling with fine lines, sagging skin, or dullness, then stay with me till the end, because I'm revealing 2 powerful anti-wrinkle creams that will smoothen, tighten, and brighten your skin instantly. But before we start, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest skin concern? Wrinkles, dark spots, or sagging skin? I love reading your responses. Welcome back to GlamGuide, where I share the best beauty secrets for youthful, glowing skin. If you love simple yet powerful skincare hacks, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Recipe 1. Vaseline Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Step 1. Add Vaseline. Take 1 teaspoon of Vaseline in a clean bowl. Why? Vaseline acts as a natural skin barrier, locking in moisture and preventing wrinkles caused by dryness. It deeply hydrates and smoothens the skin. Step 2. Add coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix well. Why? Coconut oil boosts collagen production, reducing fine lines and making your skin look plump and youthful. Step 3. Add almond oil. Add half a teaspoon of almond oil and stir. Why? Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps in skin repair, reduces wrinkles, and brightens dull skin. Step 4. Add orange juice. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh orange juice and mix well. Why? Orange juice is packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen, fades dark spots, and fights signs of aging. Step 5. Add aloe vera gel. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix everything into a smooth cream. Why? Aloe vera tightens skin, reduces puffiness, and soothes fine lines for a youthful glow. How to apply recipe. 1. Take a pea-sized amount and apply gently on wrinkles, forehead, and under eye area. Massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes until absorbed. Leave it overnight for the best results. Want to know an extra trick to make this work even faster? Use this after steaming your face for better absorption. Comment below if you want a video on face steaming benefits. And how to store Recipe 1 store in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Shelf life, up to 7 days in the fridge. Recipe 2. Aloe vera and orange, instant wrinkle eraser. Step 1. Add aloe vera gel. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel in a bowl. Why? Aloe vera boosts skin elasticity, reduces fine lines, and keeps your skin hydrated. Step 2. Add fresh orange juice. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh orange juice and mix well. Why? It's rich in antioxidants, which brighten skin and fade age spots. Step 3. Add coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and stir. Why? It penetrates deep into the skin, nourishing and reducing wrinkles. Step 4. Add almond oil. Finally, add half a teaspoon of almond oil and mix until smooth. Why? It rejuvenates aging skin and prevents sagging. How to apply this recipe. Apply a thin layer all over your face before bedtime. Let it dry for 15 minutes before washing off for best results. Use 3 times a week. Are you excited to try this? Which recipe are you trying first? 1 or 2? Let me know in the comments. How to store recipe. 2. Store in an airtight jar in the fridge. Shelf life, up to 5 days. And there you have it, 2 powerful anti-aging creams that will make you look younger in just 3 minutes. These work like Botox, but naturally. No chemicals, no expensive treatments. Do this daily and see the magic. If you love home remedies, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with friends who need this skincare secret. Subscribe for more beauty hacks. See you in the next video.